Good morning, Zimbabwe. On Monday, I condemned Tungwarara's boat way into ZANU-PF Central Committee. What Tungwarara is alleged to have done in Manicaland was not politics. It was a traveling circus of cash and desperation. A whole $240,000 allegedly tossed around in 4 dirty bundles as if he was tipping waiters, not bribing his way into legitimacy. Money flying everywhere except where integrity lives. It was a cash-fueled coup, yes, but an embarrassingly clumsy one, the kind only of panicked pretender would attempt. Tungwarara's boat enablers where Stanley Sakukanya, Dorothy Mabika, Linda Matatu, and Tawanda Mukodza. Sarabena mashuka atona kuitikana mjati waya pankwa ina chataka na Tungwarara was subscribe or like on the page kuti enda beri by post mlanjira chichi. The embarrassment deepens. Tungwarara apparently tried to hijack a Chipinge seat, yet not claim to a seat reserved for a woman from Chipinge under the CC district structure. Yet there he was, even squeezing himself into a constituency that did not want him, did not need him, and constitutionally could not host him. Chipinge was not just being overlooked, it was being insulted. Their rightful representative pushed aside so that any unqualified stranger could waltz in with pockets full of cash at zero legitimacy. Then comes the final humiliation. Allegations that he was not even a card holder. Imagine trying to bulldoze your way into leadership without a basic paperwork. The CC constitution demands 5 years of provincial service. The allegedly, yet none. No card, no history, no standing, just a dollar note. And entitlement, a manufactured candidacy held together with a fresh ink, borrowed authority, and the hope that people would be too hungry or too tired to question it. By every measure, eligibility, constitutionality, credibility, dignity, the whole attempt was a farce, a political fraud wrapped in cash carried out with the grace of a bull in a temple. Good riddance to the Mafikizolo, who bought money could subtitle for legitimacy and ended up exposing himself instead. Tomashuka mdaita kwa pangwa ino pamsoro with the nullification pangwa ino ya Tungwarara. Ituna utona keep na mjati waya vachimuseka. Mina comment section medu mzafungo enyu. So unsubscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.